Tracy Adventures, A Day at the Carnival. Balloon Buster. Tracy is on her way to the prize booth to turn her tickets in for something good when she spots the Balloon Buster game and thinks she would be pretty good at it. How many tickets does this game cost? When the game manager replies, just one, Tracy is so excited because she has one extra ticket in her shell. She pulls the ticket out and says, "Awesome, I'd like to play." In order to help Tracy play Balloon Buster, we'll need to define functions that call other functions. For example, we have a function called drawCircle defined. If we want to draw a caterpillar using this function, we can call the function inside the other function we're defining. Let's take a look at this in our editor. Here you can see we have two functions defined, drawCircle and drawCaterpillar, which is using the drawCircle function. If we click Run, nothing happens because we have defined our two functions, but we have never called them. So if we want Tracy to draw the caterpillar and not leave lines between the circles in the caterpillar, we can call the pen up command and then the draw caterpillar command. Now if we run this, we have 3 circles drawn from the draw caterpillar function that's using the draw circle function. If we wanted our caterpillar to be green, we could use the color command before calling the draw caterpillar command, and Tracy will draw a green caterpillar on the screen. Use this information to help Tracy play the Balloon Buster game.